Welcome to IELTS Speaking and Writing. In today's video, we're exploring 10 common words about food that will enhance your vocabulary and help you express your culinary experiences more vividly. Whether you're discussing your favorite dishes or describing a dining experience, having the right words is essential. Let's get started. 1. Cuisine, a style or method of cooking, often associated with a particular region or culture. Example, Italian cuisine is known for its rich flavors and use of fresh ingredients like tomatoes and basil. 2. Gastronomy, the art and science of good eating, which includes the study of food, preparation, and culture. Example, exploring the local gastronomy can provide insights into a country's culture and traditions. 3. Savory, a taste that is salty or spicy rather than sweet, often used to describe rich, flavorful dishes. Example, the chef prepared a savory stew with herbs and spices that tantalize the taste buds. 4. Fusion, a culinary trend that combines elements from different culinary traditions to create innovative dishes. One example, the restaurant specializes in fusion cuisine, blending Asian and Latin flavors for a unique dining experience. 5. Organic, food produced without synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or genetically modified organisms, often considered healthier and more environmentally friendly. Example, many people prefer to buy organic fruits and vegetables to reduce their exposure to chemicals.
6. Appetizer, a small dish served before the main course designed to stimulate the appetite. Example, we started our meal with a delicious appetizer of bruschetta topped with fresh tomatoes and basil. 7. Entree, the main course of a meal, usually served after the appetizer. Example, for the entree, she chose grilled salmon served with asparagus and quinoa. 8. Dessert, a sweet course typically served at the end of a meal such as cake, ice cream, or fruit. Example, chocolate lava cake is a popular dessert that many people enjoy after dinner. 9th beverage, any type of drink, usually excluding water, that is consumed. It can be hot or cold, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Example, coffee is my favorite beverage to start the day, especially when I need an energy boost. 10. Fermentation, a natural process in which microorganisms like bacteria or yeast convert sugars into acids, gases, or alcohol, often used to preserve food. Example, kimchi is a popular fermented dish in Korean cuisine, known for its tangy flavor and health benefits. Now that we've covered our 10 common words about food, it's time to put them into practice. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at how to use these words in context by crafting a short paragraph that incorporates all of them. This will help you understand not just the meanings of these words, but also how they work together in real sentences. Let's dive into the writing.
Food is a vital part of our culture and experience, with each region boasting its unique cuisine that reflects local ingredients and traditions. The art of gastronomy elevates cooking into a form of expression, showcasing the rich diversity of flavors. Whether it's a savory dish that warms the soul or a delightful dessert that satisfies the sweet tooth, the meal often begins with an enticing appetizer. In recent years, fusion cuisine has gained popularity, combining different culinary traditions to create innovative dishes that excite the palate. Many health-conscious individuals now opt for organic produce, believing it to be more nutritious, and they also choose organic beverages for a healthier lifestyle. One fascinating aspect of food preparation is fermentation, a method used in various cultures to preserve food and enhance its flavors, as seen in dishes like kimchi. Ultimately, food not only nourishes our bodies, but also brings people together, creating shared experiences around the table.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found these 10 family-related words helpful. Now it's your turn. Try writing a short paragraph using all the words we've learned today. Don't forget to share your paragraph in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English learning tips on IELTS speaking and writing. See you in the next video.